I'm Don Cottam with CloudRoom AV and 323 Link. Today, I want to talk a little bit about the future of the AV industry very, very quickly and what my perception of what is going on. We've been working on a platform called OneTouch for 8 years. And OneTouch is a derivative of what I saw with Zoom Room. We were the first reseller for Zoom in 2012. We were able to roll out some of the first Zoom rooms with Zoom. As soon as I saw that, I immediately knew that we were going to transition from a rack full of equipment to a computer running AV environments. And that's before we even got into AI and its capabilities. So here's the things you need to think about in moving from a traditional rack full of gear to a software stack on a computer. That is what's going to happen for audio, for video, your presentation mechanisms. Everything is going to be in a computer. And I'll tell you a few reasons that this is going to happen. Number one, it works. Rooms will be stable. Again, the cost is 30 to 40% less. The rooms are self-healing. Windows itself will be self-healing within the next 2 years. So as far as Windows being your base operating system versus a proprietary controller that you have your people trained on, what we do in this world is we train your AV technicians and team on the stuff they need to know for the future. That's AI programming, Windows computers and manipulating those machines, the infrastructure and network of the future. And really, they're going to learn how to program in the Windows environment with AI assisting them. You can have guys who don't know how to code create new features within OneTouch on their own and then distribute those to the community. So at the end of the day, we think the rack of hardware is going away and that the stack of software is the future. If you want to get more information about OneTouch and building your AV systems on Windows, I can't even begin to tell you how many advantages there are. I will say this, though, the biggest advantages are our tickets have dropped by 70% since we've been implementing this versus traditional AV systems. It makes these things completely turnkey. It makes the rooms self-healing. And the big thing is every Windows software developer out there is developing software for your AV system on Windows. That is a tremendous amount of resources and software that we can renovate these rooms with in the future. So every Windows-based application becomes a resource. All right. Well, I appreciate your time. Please reach out to us at CloudRoom AV. And I promise you, the future of AV is not a rack full of equipment. It's going to be a lot of big, beautiful displays and surround video, all being run by a computer with audio systems people barely even see in the room, and camera systems that cover the whole room and intelligently control the cameras. So if you want to see more about that future, please contact us at cloudroomav.com. Thanks.